A non-standard scissor crossover existed on the down main line in Narwana Yard on the Delhi-Bhatinda section. This scissor arrangement was connecting the down main line to the common loop line as well as the Narwana-Kurukshetra branch line. The existing crossover consisted of a 52 kg main line built-up structure connected through combination joints, incorporating two 90R acute crossings and two 90R obtuse crossings. Owing to this non-standard build-up configuration, a permanent caution of 5 km/h had been imposed on the down main line at this location. The speed restriction was resulting in an ER consumption of about 14 minutes per train, adversely affecting operating mobility and overall sectional capacity. To eliminate this bottleneck, a planned traffic and power block of 4.5 hours was availed for complete replacement of the existing arrangement. The work was executed using two numbers of 300 metric ton road cranes, enabling safe and synchronized lifting and placement operations within the stipulated block duration. The obsolete non-standard scissor was successfully replaced with a standard scissor crossover, conforming to RDSO drawing configurations RT8110 and RT8113. The new layout comprises 60 kg rail sections with CMS crossings, ensuring standardization, superior structural performance, and improved riding quality. Simultaneously, deep screening was carried out at the site using POC lane and JCB providing a fresh and clean ballast cushion of 300 mm, thereby improving track resilience, drainage, and long-term maintainability. With the commissioning of the standard 60 kg CMS scissor crossover, the earlier 5 km/h caution on the down main line has been eliminated. This has resulted in removal of the 14-minute ER consumption, leading to enhanced operating mobility, improved line capacity, and safer, more efficient train operations at Narwana Yard.